Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to talk a little bit about your redesign project. In Blackboard what you've got is a discussion and a project centered around redesigning one of the college's web pages. I thought it was quite applicable. It's the certificate page for the web design certificate. So here it is live. See that today when I'm recording it's a snow day, and this is our real website, webmechanic.edu. What I've done is I've created a streamlined version of the same page. So you can see attached files. If you right click that and save it, put it on your desktop or wherever you want. Now we'll open and it will look very similar, but you'll notice that we've got files and then it'll be wherever you put it. Now I wanted to do this because I want to show you a little bit of the code. What I've done is, first off, I've stripped out all of the unnecessary bits for this project. So there's no dynamic navigation or anything, but all of the CSS is there, and you can see I've linked it directly to the live CSS on the website. If you want to make a change, how do you go about doing that? So if you decide that you want to start from this, and you're not required to, by the way, so you can certainly start from scratch. And with a redesign, sometimes that's the most helpful. But if you decide that you want to use this stripped down version and just make modifications from there, what I recommend you do is you come into your head tag and you create a new CSS file after all of the live ones. What that will do is it will still include the originals. I haven't created this style.css yet, but we can. It will still, and let me refresh so you can see there's no difference yet. It will still load all of the CSS from the website, but then we can make our modifications here. So we could say just something simple that we will know is, actually we'll just do that. Not a recommended way to do it, but you can see that now when I define things, as long as my CSS specificity rules don't overrule it in these original ones, that's why I went ahead and just used the asterisk to grab something. You can see some things are red and some things aren't because some things are defined more specifically in this, which is one of the problems you'll run into if you try to take an existing design and redesign it within itself. Sometimes you're not given usable code, sometimes you're not given the original code, and you just have to add on top of that. But you can see that this, for the most part, has caught a lot of my text and made it red. The other thing I like about this is I can kind of design live, and I can just make my changes, save it, and refresh, and I can see the effect that that had. So if you choose to use the stripped down file, that's how I recommend you go about doing your redesign. If you start from scratch, you don't have that problem, and you don't have to worry about overriding original styles. Thanks for watching.